Hangs on trees right overhead. B for ball, bounce it high. Rolls and spins, watch it fly.
C for cat, soft and sweet, purring gently near your feet. D for drum, big and loud, booms and thumps gathers the crowd. A, B, C, come sing with me, letters and words so fun to see. Clap your hands and tap your feet, learning letters is really neat.
E for elephant, huge and strong, waving its trunk all day long. F for fish, quick in the sea, gliding waves, wild and free.
G for guitar, strings that sing, strum along to anything. H for hat, on your head, shields from sun or rain instead.
I for ink pot, neat and black, spilling stories on the track. J for jelly, jiggly treat,
Wobbles, wiggles, yummy to eat. A, B, C, come sing with me, letters and words so fun to see. Clap your hands and tap your feet, learning letters is really neat.
K for kite, soaring high, twirling, dipping in the sky. L for lion, brave and loud, roaring proudly, king of the crowd.
M for moon, glowing bright, shining through the silent night. N for nest, cozy and round, where baby birds are safe and sound.
A, B, C, come sing with me, letters and words so fun to see. Clap your hands and tap your feet, learning letters is really neat. O for octopus, arms like lace, 8 long legs in ocean space. P for pencil, sharp and long, drawing dreams that hum a song.
Q for queen, crown of gold, grace and beauty, strong and bold. R for rainbow, colors in line, paints the sky after sunshine. A, B, C, come sing with me, letters and words so fun to see. Clap your hands and tap your feet, learning letters is really neat.
S for star, sparkling bright, twinkles gently through the night. T for train, fast on track, choo-choo sounds, clickety-clack. U for umbrella, open wide, covers heads when clouds collide. V for van, wheels that spin, carries toys and laughs within.
A, B, C, come sing with me,
Letters and words so fun to see. Clap your hands and tap your feet, learning letters is really neat.
Oh, goodwill, big blue friend, sings deep songs with watery bend. X for Zyme, hidden beat, plink and plunk, music treat. Y for yawn, sleepy head, time for dreams and cozy bed. Z for zoo, where animals play from morning light to end of day. Your hands give a big cheer, A, B, C, fun is always near. Come back soon and sing again with every rhyme you learn and gain.